Hello and welcome back to the Scientific Talk. Today we're exploring a topic that profoundly impacts every aspect of our lives: health, exercise and nutrition. Whether you're trying to improve athletic performance, manage your weight, or simply live a longer, healthier life, understanding the science behind what you eat is not just important, it's transformative. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with others who care about their health. By the end of this video, you'll know more about how carbohydrates, lipids, and proteins fuel your body, why metabolism works like a finely tuned orchestra, and how the choices you make today can shape your long-term well-being. Let's start with carbohydrates, the body's primary source of energy. Did you know your brain alone uses about 120 grams of glucose each day? That's equivalent to about half a cup of rice worth of energy. Just for your brain, glucose, a simple sugar derived from carbohydrates, is the body's preferred fuel, particularly for high-energy systems like the brain and muscles during exercise. Without a steady supply of glucose, the brain struggles to function efficiently, which explains why low-carb diets can sometimes lead to mental fog and fatigue. Carbohydrates come in two main types: simple carbohydrates like sugar and honey, and complex carbohydrates like whole grains, legumes, and vegetables. Complex carbs are ideal because they break down more slowly, providing sustained energy and stabilizing blood sugar levels. Refined carbs like those in sugary drinks or white bread cause rapid blood sugar spikes followed by crashes, which can leave you feeling tired or irritable. Fiber, a type of carbohydrate that your body doesn't digest, is another unsung hero of nutrition. Foods rich in fiber such as oats, beans, and broccoli promote healthy digestion, lower cholesterol levels, and help regulate blood sugar. Unlike digestible carbs, fiber doesn't provide calories, but plays a crucial role in preventing chronic diseases like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Despite its importance, most people consume only half the recommended amount of fiber, 14 grams per 1,000 calories. Now, let's turn to lipids, or fats, which were once unfairly demonized in the world of nutrition. Fats are actually vital for your body's structure and function. They provide 9 calories per gram, more than double the energy of carbs or protein, and are stored as long-term energy reserves. Beyond energy, fats are essential for building cell membranes, producing hormones, and absorbing fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Not all fats are created equal though. Unsaturated fats, found in nuts, seeds, avocados, and fish, are the good fats that support heart and brain health. On the other hand, trans fats, often found in processed foods, and excessive saturated fats, like those in fatty meats and butter, have been linked to increased cholesterol levels and cardiovascular disease. The key is balance, the right kinds of fats in appropriate amounts. Here's an interesting scientific detail: your body uses fats primarily during low-intensity, long-duration activities like walking or hiking. During intense activities like sprinting or weightlifting, carbohydrates take center stage as the main energy source. This dual system highlights why a balanced diet containing both carbs and fats is so important for maintaining optimal energy and performance. Proteins are another critical macronutrient, not just for bodybuilders but for everyone. Proteins are made up of amino acids, which are the building blocks of muscle, skin, enzymes, and even your immune system. Out of the 20 amino acids your body uses, 9 are considered essential, meaning you must get them from your diet. Sources like lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, beans, and tofu are excellent options. Proteins also play a backup role in energy production. If your body is deprived of carbohydrates and fats, it begins breaking down protein stores, primarily muscle tissue, to create glucose through a process called gluconeogenesis. While this helps you survive during extreme situations like prolonged fasting, it comes at the expense of muscle mass and eventually organ function. That's why protein should never be your primary source of energy. It's too valuable elsewhere. Metabolism ties everything together. It's the intricate series of chemical reactions your body uses to convert food into energy. The 3 macronutrients, carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, are metabolized through distinct pathways, yet they work together in a dynamic system to meet your body's energy demands. When you eat carbohydrates, they're broken down into glucose and stored as glycogen in your liver and muscles. When glycogen stores run low during prolonged exercise or fasting, your body shifts to burning fat through a process called beta oxidation. However, without sufficient carbohydrates, fat metabolism slows down significantly. producing ketone bodies as an alternative energy source. These ketones can sustain the brain in emergencies but are not its preferred fuel. If energy demands remain unmet, the body eventually turns to protein, breaking down muscle tissue to sustain vital functions. This system highlights the importance of balanced nutrition. Deprivation of any macronutrient can strain the entire metabolic network. For athletes and physically active individuals, nutrition is even more critical. Carbohydrates are the primary fuel for high-intensity activities, like running and cycling. During exercise, glycogen stores are rapidly depleted, which can lead to fatigue if not replenished. Studies suggest that consuming 30 to 60 grams of carbohydrates per hour during endurance activities can delay fatigue and enhance performance. Post-workout, the focus shifts to recovery. Consuming a combination of carbohydrates and protein within 30 minutes to an hour after exercise accelerates muscle repair and glycogen replenishment. Fats, while not a primary energy source during exercise, are critical for sustained energy in low-intensity, long-duration activities like hiking or ultra-marathons. What about long-term health? Research consistently shows that dietary patterns, not just individual nutrients, have the greatest impact on health. The Mediterranean diet, for example, emphasizes whole grains, fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, and lean proteins. This diet has been linked to lower rates of heart disease, improved brain function, and even reduced cancer risk. Here's a tip. Eating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables ensures you're getting a wide range of antioxidants and micronutrients. Each color represents different compounds that benefit your body, so a colorful plate is both visually appealing and nutritionally optimal. And for those focused on weight loss, it's important to bust the myth that carbohydrates are the enemy. Studies confirm that weight loss boils down to calorie balance, eating fewer calories than you expend, regardless of macronutrient composition. Whole, fiber-rich carbohydrates can actually aid weight management by keeping you full longer and reducing cravings. Your health is a direct reflection of the choices you make every day. By understanding how carbohydrates, fats, and proteins fuel your body, and how metabolism adapts to different demands, you can make informed decisions that enhance your quality of life. Balanced nutrition and regular physical activity are the keys to long-term health, improved energy, and resilience against chronic disease. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe for more science-based health and nutrition insights. Have questions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll see you next time.